gain anything by going up further?
Well,
Not much, but maybe.
See how this little bit of here, I think if you take big bites, Chris, if you take big bites, you get that ring right there, you're good. You can leave it. You can leave it. Just use a big sewing ring.
Aortic pathology and really aortic disease in general, it is quite complex. The aorta spans several different cavities in the body, and there's, it's easily recognizable that there's no one surgeon or provider who can have expertise in every aspect and every facet of aortic disease. And we recognize that.
MTAP is a program that is multidisciplinary where we collaborate both vascular surgeons and cardiac surgeons to take care of patients with aortic pathology. And the idea is that we take care of them comprehensively, not just based on their anatomy, but also based on their physiology.
There are cardiac surgeons who are excellent aortic surgeons, and there are vascular surgeons who are excellent aortic surgeons. But the truth is we each have complementary skill sets, and without that other specialist at the table, you're missing a really important part of the decision-making and technical ability that other person brings.
Each Thursday we collaboratively with cardiac surgery and genetics and vascular surgery review patients who have had multiple surgeries in other places and are kind of at their last shot for how to manage really challenging aortic disease. And we all sit down together as a group and talk about their cases, review their images, their pathology, the genetic components, all of which play a role in deciding how we can help get them through this difficult period.